Hi, my name is Nicole Johnson. I'm from Tucson, Arizona, and I'm one of Jim Paar's students in his stealth coaching program. Jim, thank you for everything that you have done for me and continue to do. Let me tell you a little bit about me. As a single mom of 2 kids in elementary school, I knew that being an employee wasn't going to allow me the time and the freedom and also the ability to make the money that I wanted to create the life that I wanted for myself and for my kids. So about the same time that I took a leap and decided to completely quit my job, I enrolled in Jim's stealth coaching program. And I'm so excited to celebrate and share with you that I just signed my very first client of several $1,000s, and there's so many more to come. My future has never been brighter. I've never been more excited to wake up every morning, stepping into my power and knowing that I have a team and a coach that is so invested in my success. There's just no way that I can fail because I've got Jim on speed dial, I've got him on email, and I have a team of people that Jim has curated that help me reach the success that I always knew I was capable of. So if you are looking for a way that you can grow your income, that you can start being in charge of your own time, and you're looking for a coach that is going to be there for you, you are in the right place. Jim, thank you for the stealth coaching program. I could not have done it without you.